Well, here's the trailer I bought. I already got it loaded up, ready to make a trip. But this is going to work great for the Goldwing or the Spider. It's really sturdy. This rolls down, you just drive it up. It's actually a 6.5 by 12. I thought I was getting a 6.5 by 10, but they said, no, you got the 6.5 by 12. So it's a pretty good sized trailer. We got it loaded up with stuff. Mostly from my office in the closet up in my office. But there it is, and it's got the sides, so I already cut, my arms are already bleeding. It's got the sides so stuff doesn't fall out. And I got these cinch straps, so hopefully they're tight enough. Got a dolly. There's my cornhole game thing up there. I wrapped them in blankets. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.